राम राम आप सभी एस्पिरेंट्स को। वेलकम टू लेक्चर नंबर 8 ऑफ यूनिट नंबर 9 दैट इज़ ICT इंफॉर्मेशन एंड कम्युनिकेशन टेक्नोलॉजी। कल हम लोगों ने बेसिक नॉलेज ऑफ कंप्यूटर पे ऑब्जेक्टिव सॉल्व किए हैं। अभी नेक्स्ट जो चैप्टर है जिसके ऑब्जेक्टिव्स दिए गए हैं वो है इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स इंफॉर्मेशन एंड कम्युनिकेशन टेक्नोलॉजी। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं। पहला क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स इज रिलेटेड टू एक्साइटेशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन, बिहेवियर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन, इफेक्ट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन, इसलिए ऑल ऑफ द अबाउ। डायोड इज इन्वेंटेड बाय Ambrose Fleming. Triode is invented by Lee De Forest. Conductor are generally made of metals. Semiconductor transmitter is invented by William Shockley, John Warden and Waltmer, Hauser, Bratton. तो all of the above. What is the function of insulator? To block flow of charge यानी कि इलेक्ट्रॉन. Intrinsic semiconductor are semiconductor without impurities. ये प्योर सेमीकंडक्टर होते हैं, प्योर सेमीकंडक्टर. द स्टेटमेंट रिगार्डिंग लेज़र डायोड इज़ नॉट ट्रू. इट इज़ सिमिलर टू लाइट इमिटिंग डायोड, ये भी सही है. इट क्रिएट्स अ लेज़र बीम, ये सही है. आर अ टाइप ऑफ सेमीकंडक्टर. दे वर इन्वेंटेड बाय क्लारेंस, ये गलत है. मॉस्फेट का फुल फॉर्म ये कई बार आता है, मेटल ऑक्साइड सेमीकंडक्टर फील्ड इफेक्ट ट्रांजिस्टर. द इंटरमीडिएट फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ रेडियो रिसीवर इज 455 किलोहर्ट्ज. In the reverse order, two PN junction adjacent to each other are called transistor. Transistor are made of semiconductors. The fundamental component of electronics are logic gates भी है, counters भी है और connector भी, इसलिए all of the above. Which of the following is not a high integrated device? Resistor. Inductor is called coil भी कहलाता है, reactor भी और choke भी, तो all of the above. The true statement regarding capacitor is it stores electrical energy. Effect of capacitor is called capacitance. Connected capacitor is basically known as condenser, इसलिए all of the above. Integrated circuit was invented by Jack Kilby and Robert Noyce. Full form of ULSI, ultra large scale integration. Law of induction given by McNeil Faraday. MOSFET was invented by Muhammad M. Atalla. Fuses are generally made up of silicon भी, aluminium भी, copper भी, तो all of the above. Select the correct statement regarding battery. तो इसका सही ऑप्शन है, it converts chemical energy into electrical energy. Frequency of waves in radio is 30 से 300 gigahertz. Select the statement which is false with respect to LED. The first visible LED was invented by Nick Holonek, ये सही है. LEDs emit energy in the form of photons, ये सही है. It is full form है light emitting display नहीं, light emitting diode, इसलिए ये सही ऑप्शन आ जाएगा. Sodium vapor lamp emit light at wavelength of 589 nanometer. Which one of the following gas is not used in low pressure sodium lamp? Xenon. The capacity of high pressure sodium lamp is 600 watt. Tubes of high pressure sodium lamp are made up of sodium oxide. Sodium vapor lamp is commonly used at to light the roadway, security zones में भी और parking lots में भी, तो all of the above. The statement is false with respect to white sun. It is modification of high pressure sodium lamp, ये सही है. Produces a temperature of about 2700 Kelvin. These are generally used in hotels. Their cost is low. तो ये चीज़ गलत है. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज़ नॉट अ सेमीकंडक्टर? जर्मेनियम है, सिलिकम है, सेलेनियम है, क्रिप्टॉन जो है वो नहीं है. वेव्स आर प्रोड्यूस्ड इन अ माइक्रोवेव ओवन, इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव्स. द फ्रीक्वेंसी रेंज ऑफ माइक्रोवेव ओवन इज 2.45 GHz. द डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स वॉज एस्टेब्लिश्ड इन इंडिया इन 1970. इंडियाज़ फर्स्ट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक पॉलिसी आई थी, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक पॉलिसी 2012. The headquarter of National Institute of Electronics and IT is in New Delhi. Society for Applied Microwave Electronics Engineering and Research, जिसको समीर भी कहते हैं, is situated in Mumbai. The full form of MST in MST radar is Mesosphere, Stratosphere, Troposphere. The headquarter of Apple company is located in California. At present, which of the following is the CEO of Apple company? Tim Cook. The headquarter of Samsung Electronics is located in Seoul. In which 5-year plan of India was the promotion of electronics started? तो 7th 5-year plan में. The Department of Electronics was established during the tenure of Indira Gandhi. When was the name of Department of Information Technology changed into Electronics and Information Technology Department? 2016 में. When was the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology separated from the Ministry of Communication and Information Technology? ये भी 2016 में. नेक्स्ट पेज पर जाते हैं. When was the Electronic Hardware Technology Park scheme started? 1993 में. Which of the following is a semiconductor? Germanium इसमें semiconductor है. The addition of suitable impurity in a semiconductor is called doping. Electricity conducts in a semiconductor by electrons and holes. What are the majority of charge carrier in p-type semiconductor में? Substance. एक्चुअल में यहाँ होल होना चाहिए, तो एक बार आप देख लेना. होल. The substance added to pure germanium to make p-type semiconductor is arsenic. Width of depletion layer of p-n junction increases under reverse orientation. Diode are used for rectification. Which of the following is most likely to occur in a transistor? Audio device. What happens in a dipole junction transistor? The base has the lowest concentration of impurity. लेज़र का मीनिंग पूछा है, तो लाइट एम्प्लीफिकेशन बाय स्टिमुलेटेड एमिशन ऑफ रेडिएशन. वेयर वॉज द इंडियाज़ फर्स्ट ग्रीन फील्ड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मैन्युफैक्चरिंग क्लस्टर इस्टेब्लिश? तो भोपाल में. द फर्स्ट मिनिस्टर ऑफ द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन एंड कम्युनिकेशन टेक्नोलॉजी वॉज रफ़ी अहमद किदवाई. Who was the first minister of Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology? Ravi Shankar Prasad. In which type of semiconductor conduction of electron occurs due to negatively charged holes? तो वो n type में होते हैं. The boundary formed between n and p substance is called junction. The method of mixing a certain amount of impurity is called doping. Which city of Madhya Pradesh have been selected for Indian electronics manufacturing cluster? तो भोपाल और जबलपुर. What is the full form of LED? Light emitting diode. Where is the National Physical Laboratory located? न्यू दिल्ली में. नेक्स्ट पेज पर जाएंगे. Who discovered the electron? J.J. Thomson. These are types of ICs: analog B, mixed B, digital B. All of the above. VLSI का full form very large scale integration. The number of transistor in small scale integration is 1 से 10. Who has contributed significantly to the development of electronics in India in early stages? Homi Jahangir Bhabha और विक्रम साराभाई. When was the Department of Standardization, Testing and Quality Certification (STQC) established in India? 1980 में. The invention of modern microwave oven is credited to Percy Spencer. Which gas is used as a coolant in refrigerator? Tetrafluoroethane B, polystyrene B, acrylonitrile B. So all of the above. Which of the following statements are true regarding refrigerators? Refrigerator transfer the heat inside to the outside environment. ये सही है. The low temperature inside the refrigerator prevents food contamination by reducing the growth of bacteria. ये भी सही है. 1755 में the first small refrigerator was made by William Cullen. All of the above. Which of the following application is not of smartwatch as a stethoscope? Which company manufactured the first mobile phone? तो सही ऑप्शन है Motorola. Motorola. The telephone is invented by Graham Bell. The television is invented by Franz Worth. Which of the following first identified and studied radio waves? Hertz. Which waves are used in broadcasting of television? Electromagnetic waves. What range of frequency in waves do TV channel use for broadcasting? तो 54 से 88 मेगाहर्ट्ज और 174 से 222 मेगाहर्ट्ज. The battery is invented by Alexander Volta. The inventor of electric motor was Andrew Gordon. The inventor of fuse is Thomas Edison. Light bulb is invented by Thomas Edison. The unit of resistance is ohm. Electric flux is measured in voltmeter. Full form of FPD is flat panel display. Flat panel display. Select the incorrect statement regarding electric motor. The motor stores some energy. ये गलत है इसमें. On which of the following principle does the washing machine work? Centrifugal force theory. The work of dynamo is conversion of mechanical energy into electrical energy. Principle of fuse, heating effect of electricity. Which gas is present in common tube light? Mercury vapor with bond argon. Which gas is filled in fluorescent tube? So mercury and neon. Transformer are used for which of the following purpose? To step up or step down the alternating current potential. Mobile charger is step down transformer. यहाँ पर ये वाला टॉपिक खत्म होता है. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक पे जाएंगे. नेक्स्ट दिए हैं ICT के MCQs. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ कंपोनेंट ऑफ ICT? तो हैकिंग. एनालॉग टेक्नोलॉजी में देयर इज द ट्रांसफर ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन इन इलेक्ट्रिकल पल्स. द डिजिटल टेक्नोलॉजी द In digital technology, the transmission of information takes place in bits. Small picture found on the screen of a smartphone or tablet is called icons. The application that cannot be removed in smartphones is called default. Full form of GPS is Global Positioning System. GIS का फुल फॉर्म है ग्लोबल इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम. द IT एक्ट 2000 का ये कब पास हुआ था? 9 जून 2000 को. हाउ मेनी टाइम्स द इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी एक्ट अमेंडेड? 2 बार. IT एक्ट 2000 हैज़ हाउ मेनी चैप्टर्स? तो 13. हाउ मेनी सेक्शंस आर देयर इन IT एक्ट 2094? इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी एक्ट 2000 हैज़ हाउ मेनी शेड्यूल्स? तो 4. विच सेक्शन हैज़ बीन ओमिटेड अंडर द IT एक्ट 2008? 91, 92, 93, 94. Which section have been added under the IT Act 2008? All of the above. 66AB, 10AB, 67AB. In which case the Supreme Court has declared Section 66A of IT Act 2008 unconstitutional. श्रेया सिंगल केस. ये थोड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट है, आप याद रखेंगे. Section 66A of IT Act 2008 violates Article 19B और Article 21B. Select the correct statement with reference to IT Act 2000. तो इसमें IT एक्ट वॉज पास्ड ऑन 9 जून 2000, ये करेक्ट है. केम इनटू फोर्स ऑन 17 अक्टूबर 2000, ये भी करेक्ट है. इज अफेक्टिव इन ऑल स्टेट्स, ये भी करेक्ट है. ऑल ऑफ द अबव. व्हेन डिड द US जनरल असेंबली अडॉप्ट द मॉडल लॉ ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉमर्स? तो 30 जनवरी 1997. अंडर हुज चेयरमैनशिप द कमिटी वॉज कंस्टिट्यूटेड टू अमेंड द इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी एक्ट? ब्रजेश कुमार. Mentioned in IT Act 2008 electronic signature. Select the correct statement with reference to IT Act 2000. Related to cybercrime, includes e-commerce. All type of electronic equipment come under it. ये correct है. Which one does not come under the category of offence under IT Act? तो sending messages via connected mobile phone or tablet. Select the incorrect statement regarding cyber appellate tribunal. There is a provision for chairman and 3 member. ये इसमें गलत है. In which section of IT Act 2000 there is a provision for acceptance of digital signature? तो section 41. नेक्स्ट पेज पे जाएंगे. When was section 66A of Information IT Act 2008 repealed by the Parliament? तो 2020 में. Which section of IT Act 2000 deals with electronic records? Section 4. IT Act 2000 deals with appointment of controller of certificate authority under section 17, provision of punishment for computer hacking under section 66, imprisonment of 3 years and fine of 5 lakh for hacking of computer, all of the above. Which section of IT Act 2008 cyber terrorism is related to? Section 66F. How much punishment is there for publishing a private photo of a person without his knowledge? Imprisonment for 3 years or fine of 2 lakh rupee or both. What is the punishment for identity theft under the IT Act? Imprisonment for 3 years or fine of 1 lakh or both. Which section of IT Act deals with child pornography? 66, 67, 67A, 67B. Under which section of IT Act there is a provision for life imprisonment? 66F. The period of appeal after the order of Cyber Appellate Tribunal is 60 days. Which one of the Court of Appeal after the order of Cyber Appellate Tribunal? High Court. When were the new information technology rules introduced by the Parliament? 2021. New information technology rules are related to social media, over-the-top platform to eliminate bound child pornography, rape and gang rape imagery, videos, sites on content hosting platforms and other applications. So all of the above. When was the Right to Information Act passed? 15 जून 2005. Since when the Right to Information Act is effective? 12 अक्टूबर 2005. The object to Right to Information Act is not increase surveillance. Select the correct statement regarding Right to Information Act. Information is given to the applicant by any authority within 30 days, provided within 48 hours if the information sought related to life and or liberty. If the application is sent to the Assistant Public Information Officer or wrong public authority, then 5 days will be added to the period of 30 days or 48 hours. So all of the above. Next page पे जाएंगे. When was the National Informatics Center NIC established? 1976 में. Where is the headquarter of CDAC, Center for Development of Advanced Computing, Pune? When was the Software Technology Park scheme started? 1991 में. वेयर इज़ द हेडक्वार्टर ऑफ भास्कराचार्य नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट फॉर स्पेस एप्लीकेशन एंड जियो इन्फॉर्मेटिक्स, तो गांधीनगर में। व्हेन वाज द यूनिक आइडेंटिफिकेशन अथॉरिटी ऑफ यूपीआई फॉर्म 2009 में। द आधार टारगेटेड डिलीवरी ऑफ फाइनेंस एंड अदर सब्सिडीज बेनिफिट्स एंड सर्विसेज एक्ट कब पास किया था? 2016 में। वेयर इज़ द हेडक्वार्टर ऑफ ITU इंटरनेशनल टेलीकम्युनिकेशन यूनियन? जिनेवा में। व्हेन वाज द यूनाइटेड नेशन इंफॉर्मेशन एंड कम्युनिकेशन टेक्नोलॉजीज टास्क फोर्स फॉर्म 2001 में। वेयर इज़ द हेडक्वार्टर ऑफ इंटरनेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट फॉर कम्युनिकेशन एंड डेवलपमेंट? लोकेटेड द हेग में। व्हेन वाज द ग्लोबल अलायंस फॉर इंफॉर्मेशन एंड कम्युनिकेशन टेक्नोलॉजी एंड डेवलपमेंट फॉर्म? 2006 में। फाउंडर ऑफ गूगल LIC? लैरी पेज। फाउंडर ऑफ इन्फोसिस? नंदन नारायण मूर्ति, नंदन नीलेकानी। इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी राइट्स आर ट्रेडमार्क, पेटेंट और कॉपीराइट सभी। व्हेन वाज द पेटेंट्स राइट एक्ट पास? 1970 में। व्हेन वाज द ट्रेडमार्क एक्ट पास्ड इन इंडिया? 1999 में। मेरा बेबी अभी उठ गया है, तो मैं आज का जो लेक्चर है वो यहीं एंड करती हूँ। नेक्स्ट जो क्वेश्चन है हम लोग कल के वीडियो में देखेंगे, कल के लेक्चर में। तब तक के लिए स्टे ट्यून्ड, स्टे मोटिवेटेड एंड प्लीज़ 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 सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल। थैंक यू। राम राम।